Forecast.
Hey, good evening, folks. Here's the satellite radar loop, and it doesn't show rain, of course. You normally expect rain, not this time, but you do see a lot of cloud material out there. That's in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. There is a powerful storm in the southern Rockies that'll be bringing rain, but not here. Around here, you got some low clouds underneath that as well. That's some fog in the coastal waters. Now, that fog has prompted fog advisories up the coast, but not here, at least not yet. We expect some later on this evening. All right, here's what it had, was how things turned out today. 82 degrees your high, and that's actually 8 degrees above normal. 67 your low this morning, and once again, we're an inch and a half below normal in rainfall for the year. Now, if you're heading out to the coastal waters tomorrow, this is what it looks like. Mostly cloudy. It'll be breezy with areas of fog out there. Patchy, especially in the morning hours, with a high around 73, water temperatures at 71 degrees. Look for a southeast wind, though, at 15 to 20 knots. A little bit lighter in the morning, a little stronger in the afternoon, but that'll make for choppy bays and 3 to 6 foot seas. And the rip current risk is still moderate. A small craft should be exercising caution tomorrow. All right, here's what it looks like early this evening. Is a trail of cool air all the way from the Permian Basin into the low rolling plains and the Metroplex. That's behind that high pressure that's still lingering in the area, and also weak disturbance. I talked about that, producing areas of light rain across that area. But around here, this is what we got. You know, it was a little cooler this morning in the northern portion of the area. That's long gone. That warm front has passed off to the north. So we're hovering in the 70s across the area. But there's that fog just off the coastline. It's down to 3/4 of a mile at Port Aransas right now as far as visibility is concerned. But we'll be seeing that diminish overnight tonight. Now, let's take a look at the dew points. They're going to stay high right on through Sunday. Watch what happens, though, Monday during the day. Dry air sweeps on in here, and that dry air associated with yet another cold front that doesn't bring cold air, but briefly some drier air. So overnight tonight, you're going to see mid to upper 60s, and in fact near 70 along the immediate coastline. Fog again prevalent, but that's east-southeasterly flow becomes more southerly on your Sunday and really picks up speed. We're going to be pretty windy tomorrow. And then by Monday, that dry air sweeps in here. Notice the timeline. But it turns pretty light and variable after that. So the dry air normally associated with enhanced fire danger, with the lower wind speeds, not so much. So tomorrow, windy, humid, and lower 80s in most locations, a little milder elsewhere. But the fog comes on in, but it doesn't stick around much during the day. By Sunday, Monday morning, there's not much there at all. It's all in the coastal waters, so not a prevalent issue. There will be some, but not much. Watch the warm front back up and watch the storm intensify in the southern plains, then whip across here. Unfortunately, too quick to give us rainfall, and that's because that upper level disturbance kicks out very far to the north, and we don't see anything. Next Friday, we might get a chance of rain, but it's still not looking real good. Here's your 7-day forecast. Highs in the 80s until we get into Friday and Saturday, and much cooler, windy with fire danger late Thursday and on into Friday. Cordero?
All right, Bill, thank you so much. With the West Coast is getting slammed by a slow-moving winter storm tonight, and parts of Southern California remain under a blizzard warnings. Something not seen there since 1989 with heavy snow, record rainfall, and dangerous flooding. Isabel Rosales has the latest.
I didn't even know it snowed in California.
On Saturday morning, residents across parts of Southern California were dealing with a rare and historic blizzard warning, forecasted to bring up to a foot of snow and winds up to 80 miles per hour across mountainous areas of Los Angeles and Ventura counties. The severe wintry weather also triggered numerous power outages and airport delays.
We got delayed due to weather, and we circled LAX. I guess this is LAX. And then we went to Phoenix. Then we came back from Phoenix back to LAX, and we've been here ever since.
In addition to the snow, bouts of heavy rain turned Los Angeles area roads into rivers. Flash flooding overnight closed roads and left some drivers stranded.
You're noticing the greens and the yellows. That's an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain on top of what we've already picked up across parts of Southern California.
In Ventura County Friday night, firefighters rescued a driver trapped inside a Jeep with floodwaters rising. In this video, you can see a firefighter being lowered from a helicopter, then lifting the driver to safety. But the flash flooding threat remains as heavy rainfall is expected to continue through the weekend. I'm Isabel Rosales reporting.
And it could be another large leap for mankind as the NASA Stennis Space Center is gearing up to make history with deep space exploration. Now, NASA plans to do this through its Artemis program, which will allow for deep space exploration. Now, the Stennis Space Center is the home of NASA's rocket engine testing site. And if all goes to plan, NASA will be making another giant leap for mankind as they plan to put the first woman and person of color on the moon.
I'm John Mattery's Great Homes and